Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am excited to share an incredible full-time opportunity in software engineering at Microsoft. Whether you are a fresh graduate or an early career professional, this role could be your chance to work with one of the world's tech giants. This role is for an individual contributor position in software engineering based on-site at Microsoft. So let's break down the details, the responsibilities, and the qualifications, and what makes working at Microsoft so unique. So let's go through the detail of this particular job. So as you can see on your screen, the Microsoft has mentioned about their Empower missions and about their program, which is Aspire program by the Microsoft, which gives the immense learning opportunity for the new hires. So let's come to the responsibilities section. So they have mentioned that all the responsibilities that you would be performing if you get selected to this particular position. So first is like understanding a requirement. It's basically contributing in partnership with project managers and technical lead to determine user requirements for a feature. And second, they have mentioned is like designing. So you will be involved into designing phase as well, designing of product architectures, coding, developing, testing. So all these are going to be your roles and responsibilities at Microsoft. You will also be involved supporting in reliability and supportability. So you'll get a lot of learns about operations things also at Microsoft along with technologies. So these are some of the important roles and responsibilities. Coming to the qualification for this particular role, so for being eligible for this position, you must have a bachelor degree in computer science or related technical discipline with proven experience coding in language such as C, C++, C Sharp, Java, JavaScript, or Python. So for being eligible for this particular position, you must be at least proficient in at least one of these particular languages, and also you must have the understanding of computer science fundamentals that you might have studied in your BTech degree. And coming to the other things, so they have also mentioned some of the benefits that you would be getting when once you join the Microsoft. That is industry-leading healthcare facilities, saving investments, discounts on products and services. Along with that, they also provide educational resources and opportunities to network and connect. One of the very exciting part of the Microsoft is their Microsoft Aspire program, which is a unique learning and development program where you will build your own network, enhance your skills, and explore various career opportunity across Microsoft businesses. So, if you are passionate about software engineering, eager to work with innovative technologies, and ready to join a company that truly values your growth, this could be the perfect opportunity for you. If you are interested in applying and learning more about this particular role, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more job related updates and tech career tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy coding.